In this video, Bitcoin is right now moving towards its next major target of $11,600 or $11,800, and the next Fibonacci level that we've been talking about is the 13.4k. Can Bitcoin reach that level? Because right now Bitcoin is going crazy ever since breaking the 9-point summit in Montenegro, but because of the fact that Bitcoin is just going crazy, I realized that I have to make some time to make a video. And yeah, so basically we are seeing Bitcoin just shoot straight through the resistance. We were talking about the 9.4k, and Bitcoin shot straight through the 10k level also, as if it was nothing really. And currently Bitcoin is in this exact moment at approximately $11,080, which is actually pretty much exactly what we talked about when we break out of this broadening ascending channel. Just like the previous one, we had a big break up right there, and then we saw this broadening ascending channel, and then this actually broke to the upside, and that gave Bitcoin a nice pop to the upside, and we formed another broadening ascending channel. And what's happened here is that we actually broke this one to the upside as well. When we broke the 9.4k, which is the last major resistance level in my opinion, according to the VPVR. I've been talking a lot about this, I'm not going to go through everything, but essentially breaking this upwards trending resistance and breaking this major level has actually right now resulted in a massive pop to the upside. And right now it doesn't seem like this is really stopping. We're just continuously moving higher, and I still want to maintain my two targets according to the Fibonacci retracement tool. Let me just show you real quick, because I've already shown you this a few times before. So I'm just going to show you from the top to the bottom. So the first target is going to be approximately the 11.4k level. That's the 50% target. We're very, very close to it. So yeah, we're very close. If we blast through that one, which is actually the previous high up there, I would probably say that 11.8k, 11.7k is maybe a more valid target. But yeah, I think the most important level I'm watching right now is actually going to be the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. It would make a lot of sense to top out at a key Fibonacci retracement level like that one. No guarantees, of course, but that is the level I've been talking about ever since we ended up in this broadening ascending channel with a possibility with a break to the upside. And right now we have seen that break to the upside with the expected follow through, just like when we broke to the upside from the previous one right there. And I don't want to ramble on too much about this, but we are seeing just so much bullish things happening in the Bitcoin price right now. Very nice to see. And I think that if you had any doubts previously that this was the bottom, I think that shattering the 10k level like this with volume, with this decisiveness, should put an end to the doubt. This was the bottom. I think it's very, very hard to argue at this point that we have not bottomed out. And I think that the next major bull run has definitely started. I've said it before. But yeah, I want to keep this video pretty short, but I also want to extend this warning to you guys. Remember that everything that goes up needs to also eventually come down, at least for the short term. And I do believe that we will see a big correction, a huge correction at some point. And I would look towards at least a 30 to 40% correction, retracement before getting a new low and then the next big spike. So just make sure that you understand that everything goes up and down, even in a bull market. So if you take a look at the previous bull market, even though we were in a massive bull market, we still saw these 30 to 40% corrections way through this whole bull market. And we will see the exact same thing in this bull market. But yeah, right now we are absolutely getting closer and closer to 20k. That is when I believe that the global FOMO is definitely for real going to start. At that point, I think that all of the bears out there are going to have to start moving in again in Bitcoin. All the mainstream media and all of that. I think that we are all anticipating pretty much the same thing, breaking that 20k level. But yeah, the summary here, 11.8k, next major level, and 13.4k, which is right there, major Fibonacci level. These